program, you get to learn how to code in Python, and you get to learn all sorts of skills. Currently, I'm just learning like the basic steps and the tutorials of how to set up code and create like a background image, for example.
BlackRocket is a foundational type of program, a curriculum that allows the students to take with them from here a knowledge of coding and more creative thinking so that they can build their own programs or they can build their own video games using a Python-based program.
It's teaching me like critical thinking skills. Also, like if you wanted to become a software engineer, you could pursue that path. It's just getting a feel of things, see what you could do.